Have you noticed something strange about bad habits? You never remember the very day they started, but somehow you remember the exact day they nearly destroyed your life. That's the dangerous thing about addiction. It doesn't arrive like a storm. It enters quietly. One more drink, one more smoke, one more time, and before you know it, it starts to destroy your life. That's why you must be careful about what you start. Addiction is one of the most common diseases on this planet, and not all addiction are dangerous. Some addiction destroys life, while other addiction builds life. There are bad addiction: alcohol, smoking, gambling, pornography, procrastination, excuses, and many more. But also, there are powerful addictions such as discipline, consistency, reading, self-development, learning a new skill, and building your future. The difference between success and destruction is actually the habit you repeat every single day. And that is what I want us to talk about honestly in this video. I will use myself as a case study. I drank for over 15 years of my life, and what is crazy is that I cannot remember the exact day I started drinking alcohol. And that's how bad habits work. They enter quietly without you even noticing it at all. But I can tell you something I will never forget: the exact day I stopped drinking alcohol. Today it is over 1 year that I stopped drinking alcohol, and I can tell you honestly, it's completely changed my life. People think addiction damages their health alone, but no, it takes much more than that. Alcohol took away my happiness, money, character, composure, and the most painful part is that it took away my time. Wasted years that I can never get back again. And that's the thing people don't understand. Addiction do not only destroy your future, it goes ahead to steal away your present moment. You cannot enjoy every single moment of your life simply because you are addicted to one thing or the other. And the next thing, you wake up one morning and realize that you have spent a lot of wasted years just because you are addicted to one thing or the other. The truth is, you might not be addicted to smoking, alcohol, but you can be addicted to one of these things: your phone, pornography, sex, gambling. There are a lot of distraction out there. The world is full of addiction fighting for your attention every single day. That's why you must be careful of what you start, because whatever you repeat every single day eventually controls your life and determines your future. So once again, be careful of what you start. Here is my challenge to you for the next 90 days. Channel your energy to the good habits: discipline, staying consistent, learning new things, improving yourself, self-development, exercise, and a lot more of good habits that are out there. Will it be easy? Absolutely not. Changing your life takes a lot of courage, determination, and discipline. But I can promise you this: the pain of discipline is way more lighter than the pain of regret. 90 days from now, you could become a completely different person. The decision starts today. If this video spoke to you, share it with someone you know that might need it. Remember, be careful of what you start. I'll see you in the next one, guys.